Hey, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. You're looking for a clean pickup? This might be the one for you. This is the 2019, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7497. This is the FX4 Off-Road Edition, as you can tell. Tow package, got the tonneau cover. Just over 17,000 miles on this pickup. Does come equipped with the 5.0 liter V8 motor, 10-speed automatic transmission. You will receive oil changes for life at no extra cost to you on this very clean, low mileage, like brand new pickup. So for more information, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business on this truck. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.